Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of the divine love affair. As we develop a deep relationship with the universe, we become co-creators with this incredible intelligence. As we learn to listen to it, we build direct access to it, to the fountain of chi and life force energy flowing through us. We learn to get out of the way and become channels of expression for this transformational energy. First for ourselves and then for those around us. So the love affair is really at the foundation of all the other arts, because once you decide to step on the path, or once I decided to step on this path, it was really because I felt that there was so much more than what I grew up in, and I started to sense this presence or this energy pulling me into itself. And as I followed that, and it guided me towards the arts and learning different structures that helped me to deal with life and to get to know myself, one of the things that I realized was that it really wants to be in a love affair with us. Just as we want to be in a love affair with it, it wants to be in a love affair with us just as much. And my teacher used to say that, the more that you engage with this intelligence, with the universe, the more it's going to engage with you. And so I just started to treat it like my best friend. If I was feeling something, if I felt lonely, I'd say, hey, you want to go for a walk? Or just started to include it in everything that I did, so it became this tangible force in my life. That is really at the basis of everything for me. And over the years, you develop enough trust in that relationship that even if something happens and your partner leaves you or you lose everything, you know that what you have in that love affair is something that's really solid and it's built on rock. And when you got to that place, there's a relaxation and abundance. Even if you don't have anything, there's a true abundance that comes from just being in connection with that divine love affair and what it fills you up with. As we learn to discern our emotions from deep feeling and develop the art of divine alchemy, we move beyond feelings of lack or need in our lives. Instead, we are in a deep love affair with the universe. We feel gratitude, abundance, fun, adventure, sweetness, and love. We are in a constant process of growth, expansion, and evolution with this creative and intelligent force.
The love affair for me, it's the nearest thing to me. In a way, it's like I spend all my life in relation to that love affair, talking to it, checking in with it.
Asking it for guidance?
Yeah, asking it for guidance, I suppose the journey almost is knowing to what degree it's coming from the love affair and to what degree I'm getting in the way of that love affair, and again, I just got to say, the realization of what it can give you as it goes on. And the first year, the second year, it's amazing. The third year, the 26th year, the 28th year, it just doesn't stop. And I am so grateful that I got turned on to this. I just am. It is the love affair, and as Kira said, like if somebody leaves you in life or somebody dies or something, they're probably the times that you will build that deeper love affair within you.
And you've just reminded me that part of the way that I can access that love affair is through the feelings of love and gratitude.
Mm.
So when I focus on the feeling of love, self-love, and the feelings of gratitude, it really helps me to access that love affair.
Yeah.
No matter what's happening, even to be grateful for the
Whatever's
good, the
been
bad.
presented.
Exactly, yeah.
Whatever's
Exactly.
been presented.
Whatever.
You know, it turns everything around.
Yeah,
I remember being in a very tough time in my life, and then I just remembered gratitude.
yeah.
And I started thanking that part of me, through getting back to my love affair as such. And it pulled me out of that hole.
Yeah, because sometimes we leave it.
Yeah, we leave it, we forget about it, and we're not happy with what we've been. You know, how did all this happen? If you're following the universe so much, how did you end up in this spot? Because life does that. And yet,
Weird.
you know, that's the journey.
The transformational conscious arts and their mastery guides us there.